here is the Tymo Ring Plus. All right, let's open it up. All right, it has a magnetic fastener lid. There is a thank you card. On the back, it has a QR code for enrollment, surprise, lifetime warranty, and exclusive service. Let's open the first goodies. I'm not quite sure what this is, but if it's anything like my other hair tool, it looks like a scalp massager that you can use wet or dry. We have styling clips. Looks like about 2 of those. Looks like a heat glove so you won't burn yourself. And looks like a user manual. So now the moment we've been waiting for. The brush seems like it comes in a velvet bag. It feels very soft. And it's drawstring. Then it seems like it has a protective plastic bag. There's a sunken buttons here. The swivel cord. There's a protective piece over the plug. The cord is nicely wrapped. I'm going to plug this up. When you plug it up, you get these 3 dots, so it seems like it automatically comes on when you plug it up. But then there's a power button with the temperature that shows up. This is the lowest temperature here, seems like it. But you can change it with the up and down. So 410 is the highest it gets.